Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. Thanks for watching the channel. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get all the upcoming videos. Okay, today we'll see how marketing section works in Shopify admin. If you click on marketing, you will see this section here like this. In the marketing, you can create campaigns from Shopify admin directly. You can create all campaigns with all sales channels from here instead of going on different platforms. Like for Facebook, you don't have to go on Facebook Ad Manager. For Pinterest, you don't have to go to Pinterest Ad Manager, or for Snapchat, you don't have to go to Snapchat Brand Awareness Manager, or for all other marketing sales channels, you can directly create campaigns for Shopify email, like 2500 free emails per month, $1 per 1000 additional emails campaign, create email to share promotion and updates with customers. So these are the campaigns you can do from here in $1, 1000 emails to already existing customers on your store. So you can also do social post from here, social post marketing from here. You can also do SMS marketing from here. So if you are going to plan SMS marketing, you should have SMS Bomb app installed in your Shopify, and then you can configure that app from here, and then you can start the campaign from here. So these were the options available in create campaigns. These are very simple and very easy, and after then you can click on campaign and you can see the campaigns you already set up, like how many sessions, orders, sales and cost you have for your campaigns. Then you can also check automation section under the campaigns here in Shopify. In marketing, automations means something is going through automatically. Just like you see automation, in the automation you can create abandoned checkout emails by Shopify. Like if somebody is clicking on add to cart and he's not going to checkout and he's leaving at add to cart button, then you will have here that customer's email in here in the abandoned checkout. In the orders here in this abandoned checkout, you will have their emails here. So from there you can create automated abandoned checkout campaign, and then frequent emails will be sent at that email of customer, and that can be a great chance of getting higher conversions with this technique. So today we will only discussing these marketing campaigns and automation in this video. I hope you like the video. If you're looking for more Shopify store development things, you can have a look at this playlist we are going through from the very beginning. In this playlist you will have more videos, like more than 500 videos on Shopify, small customizations and everything available in the Shopify admins, in settings, in here online store and under home. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Take care. Bye bye.